is up, YouTube? Like I said, as promised, when we hit 200 subs, we're gonna have a video for y'all. So, as y'all can tell by today's title, we will be going to pick up another firearm. Right now, I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is, but I'm sure by the title of the video, y'all might know. Maybe, maybe not, but we're gonna let y'all know, and y'all gonna see when we get there. All right, y'all, so we now at the store, about to step in, look at the firearms, stuff like that. All right, so as you can see, got my receipt. I'm now back out the store. I ain't do no recording in there because, you know, had some business to take care of. But do got the firearm. Y'all will definitely see it when we get in the house. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, I'm sorry for all the inconveniences, but it's been about, I would say, about a week and a half since I got my new add-on to the collection. But it's a reason, man. There you go. I messed up my hand. But I'm gonna try to go into the range today, see if I can get y'all a few clips. If they tell me I gotta take this off, I'm gonna just take it off, you know, get the clips for y'all. And then, yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see what we got and let me know how y'all like it. All right, so I'm gonna start getting myself ready to go ahead and get ready to go ahead to the range. I'm about to brush my teeth real quick and wait for my cousin to come over and bring me this optic. So my bad, I thought he was here. But yeah, I'm about to wait for my cousin to bring me this optic. I'm about to brush my teeth, wash my face, get in the shower, you know, stuff like that. And when he get here, I don't know, I might show y'all, but I don't know, I still may not. I still may just wait till we get to the range. You just gotta stay tuned for the video, find out then, you know? But yeah, I'm gonna tune y'all in when he get here so y'all can see. All right, so with that being said, Lil Cuz just got hit with the optic. I'm about to start packing my bag and try to find the Allen key to get this optic off. I'll put my 30. Oh. Try to find the Allen key to get this optic off and see if it can fit. And if it can fit, next clip we're gonna be headed to the range, or we might be even at the range by then. I don't know, but stay tuned to find out. All right, y'all. So, like I said, now we on the way to the range now. Not gonna tell y'all still what I got, but I said we'll be there. What did I say? About like 8 minutes. So we'll be to the range in about 8 minutes, and well, for us 8 minutes, for y'all 2 seconds, and then yeah, we gonna get us a few little clips in there, and it's just gonna be that. Y'all gonna see how flat it shoot, and yeah, like I said, I apologize for it being later than I said with the 200 subs, but like I said, my finger messed up. I even hope they even gonna let us even still shoot today, hopefully, but we gonna let you know when we get there. All right, y'all, so we're now in the range. Going in right now. All clear, ain't nobody in here. Literally nobody. Let's set y'all up. Now I'm gonna do that in. So setting up our targets. As y'all can see, I just got we got the regular little cheap little snowman. I'm gonna start off at 15, and y'all still don't even really know what I have yet. I forgot. Let me go ahead and show y'all what we got. What's up in the little in the mystery case. Not bad, bro. Show y'all what we got up in the mystery case. And there it is. This is what we got. Ruger AR 5.56. Came with the 10 round. I got the 40 and the 30. And there's our target. So we're gonna go ahead and take everything out. Take everything going up out of there. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with 30. Alright, so with that, I did 10 shots. Bring it back home. Let's see how we did. But it don't look like I hit. They down bottom. Alright, so it's still taking a little getting used to. Got a few little misses, but got 4 hits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I know what to do for now. I mean, for now on too. So now we got little bro shooting. We gotta bring that stock in. Alright, y'all, so moving AR 5.56, going back 15 yards. Alright, bringing it back home, see how we did. Definitely still something getting used to. I don't know why the bullets keep dropping when I shoot though. I might be anticipating a shot. Cause now, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means I only hit another 3. No, 2. Alright. So I know what to do now. That sight off. I need to sight that bitch in. Alright, so now little bro with the 10 round at 15 yards with the 10 round. empty it. It's only 2 shots left in there. How you gonna keep 2 shots in there? I just took the optic off. For some reason it's not really sighted in right now. So I'm gonna try it without the optic again at 15 y'all. And we're gonna see how the grouping is with that. Back home again, check the grouping, see if the grouping did any better with the optic off. So it's definitely better grouping. You got those 2 up there and that 1 down there, and then the ones down there. But that's actually more so what I was aiming at compared to the ones that was all down here and missing. That's actually better. So I feel like without the optic right now, it's actually better than what I can do in the middle. Alright, so we're down to the last 20 rounds. Again, we had 15 y'all. We both got to do 10 shots each. Calling shots, what should I hit? Top, middle, bottom.
Top right.
Top right. That didn't feel like a good movement. That movement felt terrible.
You was handed though.
Nah, some of them went over there. So those would have been misses. Got those ones, 2 right there. I got 2, 4, 6, 8. 8. Then I don't know where the other 2 went. Probably didn't even hit. I don't know. We got Lil Bruh doing his last 10. See how his grouping was. some good ones.
I mostly hit like right there. Now ammo right here.
So hit down there while aiming up there.
But these really got hit. Those are hitting too up.
Alright, y'all, so now we just left the range. My ears feel muffled from them head, what's they called? Them, nah, they not headphones, them ear protectors, those. My ears feel muffled from those. But what in the world? They parked in the middle of the street? Oh nah. But yeah, we headed back from the range. I'm possibly about to go get one of my tattoos touched up. Yeah, I don't really know what to say. It's still it's gonna take some getting used to for sure, because I'm going from a shotgun to an AR, meaning different groupings. You know, with a shotgun it's kind of hard to miss, of course, and with the AR, of course, it's just one bullet. So it's gonna take some getting used to, but I don't really want to end the video off here. So if I'm gonna go get my tattoo today, y'all gonna see me again. But I'm gonna let y'all know by the time I get ready to start this outro. All right, y'all, so with that being said, I'm about to end the video here. If you enjoyed, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tune in with me for the next video. I don't know what it's about to be yet, but check out my shorts. That's what I'm gonna keep everybody updated at. And yeah, hope y'all enjoy.